All right, it's that time of year, time to update my video production company's demo reel. And I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along because we make pretty awesome demo reels, if I do say so myself. Usually when you see a video production company Sizzle reel, it's just a bunch of random, cool looking shots strung together to music. But what if you treated your own company like an actual client? That video would probably look pretty different. So today I'm going to take you step by step through my entire process of making a video production company demo reel. Step one is to think about what specifically you want to highlight. So in the past, I've made demo reels that really highlighted our team. I've also made one where we talked about how we were a 5-star reviewed business on Google that incorporated a lot of Google reviews that we've accrued over the years from our clients. This year, I want to focus on the fact that we've added a couple of new services in addition to our straight video production services. The new services we're offering are live streaming and YouTube content creation and channel management. We're really excited about that. So that's definitely what I know I want to highlight in this video. All right, step two is to come up with your overall concept. So the idea that I've been kind of working on over the past couple weeks is sort of a play on the old UPS campaign, What Can Brown Do For You? I'm going to do a What Can Plum Do For You? Plum Productions is the name of my production company, in case you didn't know. And I do think that really speaks to like talking about services. So that is an idea that I come up with that I really like. All right, let's move on to step three, which is picking an awesome cut of music. You really want to pick something that's dynamic and fun and that you might not get to pick for one of your regular clients. This is the chance to really pick a cut of music that you think is just like dynamite and that you really love because you are the client this time, and that's very exciting. For me, I've been making a folder over the past year. Every time I come across a cut of music that's not right for my client, but that I really like and think could work for us, I've put it into a little folder and kept it there for safekeeping. So I already have some music cuts to pick from. All right, step number 4 is to go through all of the projects you've worked on over the past year and figure out which ones you want to incorporate into this demo reel. Now, while I'm doing this, I have 3 criteria. 1, is it going to highlight the services that I really want to feature in this demo reel? That is like first and foremost. 2, I want to name drop a little bit, right? We have some really big clients, so you want to make sure the world knows that you work on these certain projects that are high profile or really interesting. So you definitely want to do a little name dropping in your Sizzle reel. And number 3 is any shots that just looked great. So maybe they're not really the most high profile clients, but if they look really neat, that's definitely something you want to incorporate in your demo reel because you want that demo reel to really sizzle. And so I am going to go through all of our projects. I'm going to pull out a whole bunch of hard drives and I'm literally going to comb through all the B-roll shots and drag any interesting B-roll shots that fit my criteria into a new project for this demo reel. This is going to take a long time. Okay, that was a lot of work. I think I'm going to leave this for today. I don't think I can work on this anymore. We're going to pick this back up tomorrow and then we're going to edit this whole thing together. Okay, we're back. It's the next day. I've been mulling this over all night. I'm caffeinated. I'm ready to work on this. I'm super excited. Let's just dig into it. Done. That is so satisfying. All right, here it is, the premiere of the new Plum Productions demo reel. All right, what do you think? Tell me the truth. Did you like it or not? Let me know down in the comments. You guys, I have so many other videos about video production company tips. I'm going to link to them over here. Thank you so much for creating with me today. I'll see you next time.